and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're all having a great week so far. So today I just really wanted to sit down on this Tuesday rainy afternoon and play with some makeup. I really want to do like a smoky wing. I feel like we haven't done that in a little while. So yeah, if you want to sit down, stay around, have a chat, play with some makeup, then keep watching. So I'm going to start off with eyes and just put some concealer all over the eye. This one is the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. I love this concealer. And then just blend that out. For shadows, I'm going to go in with my little e.l.f. quads. You guys know that I talk about these all the time. I really like them. I think they're like £3 from Superdrug, but look how lovely they are. They definitely fit the season. This one is cream and sugar and this one is pumpkin pie. I think we're going to go with the pumpkin pie this time whilst using a little bit of this brown. So I'm going to start off actually with a little bit of bronzer just on the outer edge. I feel just to kind of start us off, see how we get on. So, how are we all doing? I hope we're all doing well. I know most of the country is back in a sort of a lockdown situation now, which isn't great in a way. I feel sorry for those people with their jobs, businesses, you know, what's going to happen to your homes, all of that. Oh. I really feel for you. I hope things get better. Then I'm going to go in to the shade here because it is slightly warmer. And go in to that. Also, this is just a PC22 brush. I'm going to go in to this shade right here, a bit darker, and a PC38 brush. It's just a bit smaller. And pack that on as well. Going in with the shade, which is the darker shade, and a PC32 brush. As you can see, this one is tiny. And then I'm gonna go up to this liner brush in that same darker shade. I like it. And then I'm taking that first brush back into the bronzer. I'm actually gonna run it slightly through the crease. Went off camera, did my other eye and my lashes. Lashes went on a train, just did like a winged lash. Lashes went on perfect actually. Okay, starting on the face, I'm gonna go in with the Illamasqua Hydra Veil Rehydrating Gel. Got this in this month's glossy box. Put that in. Also, just kind of waiting on Desi Perkins having her baby. I feel like she's been very quiet on Instagram the last couple of days. I feel like he's born. A feeling that he is born. For those of you who don't know Desi Perkins, she is an American YouTuber, and I think everybody's been following along with her fertility journey. Desi unfortunately couldn't get pregnant naturally, so she has gone down the IVF route and it's worked. She is due to give birth any day, which is exciting. She's having a little boy, and hopefully everything's gone well with the birth and everything. Fingers crossed with that. I think everyone was an emotional wreck when they announced they were pregnant. I was just so happy for her. Love that. So yeah. Next I'm gonna go in with the Clinique Chubby Stick. I know I normally do this like last, but I've seen people put it on at first, so that's what we are going to do to see if it makes a difference to our skin. I think I saw Carly Bible do this. And it turned out really well, but I don't know whether that's just because it's Carly. Carly Bible is another American YouTuber that I watch. I've watched Carly for so many years. I think her dad recently passed away with cancer, which very, very sad. For foundation, I'm going in with the L'Oreal True Match. I saw Jordan Lipscomb use this the other day and it just made me want to use it. I'm in the shade Golden Natural 4W. This is an oldie but a goodie. Also, we're using a fresh sponge, which makes me happy but makes me sad at the same time, because my sponge that I've been using, you know, my Eco Tools one, I mean, it's rough looking, so that's why we're not using it. But yeah, so the other day I got contact lenses, so your girl can actually see what she's doing. Yeah, I got them as a trial. I had them last year as a trial, but I forgot to go back and sort it because my dad took sick, so that's why I didn't go through with it. My contact lenses aren't like everyone else's because my eyes are so shit. A, they cost a fortune, and B, I can't just walk into the shop and get my contact lenses the way other people can. They have to be ordered in, so that makes it a little bit more difficult and it makes it a longer process as well. But so far so good. They go in unbelievably well. Getting them out is a bit of a challenge. I don't know whether I'm leaving them in too long or they're just sticking to my eye, I don't know. But, yeah. This foundation is very on my skin. So beautiful. I would say it's a medium coverage, and I would say it's definitely not a matte foundation. Let's say it's more of a satin just because I can see skin through it. It's definitely buildable. It is absolutely stunning. I love this foundation. I remember the old school formula. They've changed this formula now, but yeah. For concealer, going in with the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. I don't know whether this is actually a little bit yellow for me, I'm not sure. We're in the shade Medium Warm. So I don't know whether it's too warm. Oh no, it's going right nice. For powder, just going in with the e.l.f. powder, popping that underneath the eye. I like to bake because I'm oily, so this works perfectly for me. And then I like a matte finish, so because I'm oily through the day, the natural oils will come through. Yeah? What's in here? Perfect. Skin feels lovely. For bronzer, I'm going to go in with L'Oreal Wax Bronze that we used on the eye. I feel like I've been using the same bronzers, so I thought I would mix it up. Although I feel like this one's just not as pigmented as the others that I use. You know, like the Charlotte Tilbury stuff. We're gonna finish off the eyes. I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. So this one, it's nice warm brown. Under the eye, just to give it something. For blush, I'm going to go in my Kylie Cosmetics blush in the shade Close to Perfect. Go in with this shade, this gold shade. And going through in the corners. No one can do it like you. For lips, I'm going to go in with a bit of a different lip today. I'm going to go in with this one. It's Luna by Luna and it is in the shade Pixie. It's just a really nice pinky nude, as you can see here. I got it in this month's glossy box, so I thought we're going with a different lip today. It looks quite orange on camera, but I can assure you it is more pink. Okay, my loves, that completes this look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. The lip is coming off quite orange on camera, but it's definitely not. It's definitely pink. I don't know. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just a really nice little sit down, chit chat, winged moment. I love doing it. I love how it looked. I really like it. So yes, thumbs up for more makeup videos. Subscribe if you already haven't. My Instagram will be linked down below as always. Thank you so much for support, and I'll see you in my next one.